Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is IV cannulation. IV cannula types, okay, and what are the sizes are there in the IV cannulas? IV cannulas, or you can say peripheral lines, okay, IV catheters you can say, okay. There are mainly seven types of IV cannulas are there. I mean based on the sizes. So starting from the 14 gauge to 26 gauge. So 14 gauge is the bore needle, so big one, big cannula or big catheter will be there. So and the 26 is the lowest, smallest cannula or smallest IV catheter. So these are the sizes. So starting from the 14, then next one 14 is the biggest one, and I'm going to show you the six types which is available right now with me. Okay, 14 is the biggest one, which is available in the orange color, and next one is 16 gauge is available in the gray color. So this is the 16 gauge IV cannula, so which is available in the gray color, gray cap will be there. So this is having a length of 45 mm of catheter length, and 1.7 diameter will be there. So this cannula diameter, outer diameter, and the flow rate by this cannula will be around 200 ml per minute. So you can infuse the IV fluids by this gray color cannula 200 ml per minute. You can check it out at the back side also. So what is the flow rate, what is the size, all these things you can check it in the back side also. So like 1.7 here it will be there, and 45 mm is the length, 200 ml per minute, like this you can check it here. Okay, so this is about gray color cannula is about, it is a 16 gauge cannula. Okay, next size comes as a green, it is 18 color, 18 cannula is coming in a green color. So this length also same like 45 mm will be there, and 1.2 diameter, outer diameter is 1.2. You can check all the sizes and length and flow rate on the back of the cannula. Okay, on each cannula you can check. So by this cannula, with the 18 gauge cannula, green color cannula, you can infuse 80 ml per minute. 80 ml per minute is the flow rate. So green color is 18. Next comes as the pink is a 20 gauge cannula. So you can check the again diameters here. So outer diameter is 1.1 and 32 mm is the length of this cannula, length of this catheter, and flow rate is 61 ml per minute, 61 ml per minute. So plus or minus 10 ml per minute is a variation will be there from the company to company. So usually BD company will be having maybe around 65 ml or 67 ml. This we are discussing about Ultra is a 20 gauge cannula, Polymed company. So it is infusing 61 ml per minute. So this is another thing. And next comes as a 22 gauge cannula will be coming in a blue color. Okay, so the cap will be in a blue color means 22 gauge. So the diameter is 0.8 and length is 25 mm. So the amount of infusion or flow rate is 31 ml per minute. 31 ml per minute you can infuse with the blue color cannula, which is a 22 gauge cannula. And next is 24 cannula. 24 will be available in a yellow color cap. Okay, yellow color cap will be there. So you can identify by seeing the yellow color cap is a 24 gauge cannula. So the length of this cannula or catheter is 19 millimeters, and you can infuse the 19 ml per minute, 19 ml per minute only. Okay, and next coming to the 26 gauge cannula. 26 gauge cannula will be coming in a color called violet. Okay, in a violet color you can get the 26 color gauge cannula. Okay, With this you can infuse only a small amount, that is called 13 ml per minute. 13 ml per minute, and its length is only 19 mm, 19. Okay, so this is about the cannula identifying by the colors. Okay, and mostly this 24 and 26 cannulas you will use for the pediatrics. Okay, pediatric sizes, and neonates, newborn babies, especially you will use this 26. Okay, 26 cannula you will use for the neonates, and pediatrics you can use the 24 and 26. In cases you can use it 22 also. Okay, if a baby is less than 10 years, okay, between 3 to 10 years, if the based on the size of the vein you can use, and based on the size of the infusion you can use the this cannula also. So these 22, 24, 26 gauge cannulas you will use mostly for the pediatric cases. Okay, and coming to the adults, you can use the 20, you can use the 22 also. 22, 20 is a pink one, green 18, and gray color is a 16 gauge. Okay, so these are the adult cannulas. Okay, mostly this gray cannula, gray type cannula, 16 gauge cannula you will use in case of blood transfusions. Okay, blood transfusion, when you want to infuse a more amount, bolus amount of fluids to the patient, or when you want to take a blood sample, blood from the, for a blood donations or blood transfusions, you can use this gray or green. Okay, so these are the adult cannulas. So I hope you have understood something about this IV cannulas, identifying by the colors. Okay, so if you like my content, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. If you have any doubts, you please write in the comment box. Okay, I will clarify in the next videos. In the next video we will discuss about the parts of the cannula also. Okay, so mainly there are 7 colors of the cannulas are there. 7 colors of peripheral cannulas or catheters are there. Colors means based on the gauge, starting from 14 is a 14 gauge cannula coming in a orange color. Okay, orange color, 14 orange, and 16 gray, 18 green, and next 20 pink, 22 blue, and 24 yellow, next 26 coming in violet. So these are the colors of the IV catheters or peripheral lines also you can say. Okay, thank you so much.